Hello everyone. Today we want to discuss the world of adaptogens. So I'm not quite sure if anybody knows what they are. There's a lot of buzz going around on them. Everyone wants you to include them in your diet and in your lifestyle, but what are they? So today we have our dear friend Dr. Lara, who is our product development specialist, who has a PhD in pharmaceutical chemistry, and she is going to just answer these little questions for us.
Sure. So adaptogens are a class of molecules. They can be both herbal or synthetic. I think there's a misconception that synthetic is always bad, but sometimes synthetic can also be better, especially if you're looking at sustainable practices and how a lot of these herbs are found. So synthetic, if done properly, isn't always bad. But essentially what an adaptogen is it helps you adapt to stress. And we know that stress can come in a variety of things, such as emotional stress, mental stress, physical stress. Obviously, if you're bleeding, don't take an adaptogen. It can't help there. But physical stress as well. And what an adaptogen does is it helps your body adapt and cope with certain stresses.
Okay.
And how it does this is there's two kind of theories. The one theory is that it works by helping regulate your HPA axis, which is your hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. It's a mouthful.
That's in your brain, right?
It is basically the connection from your brain, so your hypothalamus in your brain, the connection and talking from your brain right through into your adrenal glands. Now, your adrenal glands are responsible for secreting a molecule called cortisol, which tends to go up when we're quite stressed. That is any kind of stress, both physical, mental, emotional, cortisol tends to spike. So what these adaptogens do is they help your body to maintain homeostasis. To be classified as an adaptogen, there's essentially three kind of nomenclatures or top points that they have to cover. Firstly, they have to be non-toxic and cause no harm. The second thing is that it helps the body to adapt to stress, whether it be physical, mental, or emotional, and it brings the body back to homeostasis. Now, what homeostasis is any kind of system energetically likes to be in balance. Okay. And homeostasis is your body's ability to constantly regulate to make sure that everything is in balance. Okay. And that's where adaptogens can be quite helpful. There's a few, they use traditionally in your Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine quite a bit. The ones that stand out that most people will know of are ones that help for sleep, anxiety, and mood, such as your ashwagandhas, as well as your holy basil. Then for something like fatigue, you've got rhodiola, which is really, really great. And then immune, you've got your astragalus and your Siberian ginseng or Uluruther. I can never say that word, so we're gonna go with Siberian ginseng.
Okay, that's perfect.
But that's essentially what adaptogens are.
Great. There you have it, guys. Adaptogens for you today.